Okay, dear student, um, if you have downloaded Edraw Max, then this will be okay. If you haven't downloaded, then it's okay. You just go to the website, okay, and then you can draw the context diagram here online. Just sign in and boom, you will find these tools okay here. The next step we have go with the flowchart, okay, context diagram. So we can click here on the context diagram, means flowchart. Just simply click. If you have download this software EdrawMax, then you start there, and if you haven't download, then you go online, okay. Just sign up here in the EdrawMax. Okay, then these are the basic flowchart symbols here, okay. We need the process symbol here. The first I draw and drag. Just click here and drag it here on the screen. I need one. I think 4. So 2. Okay, and I will place here 3, and this will be 4. And what I need more, the start tool here, and I will resize, okay, and then double click here and write administrator, okay. If you want to larger size, you can, and right here administrator, okay. So we have 2 administrators, and here is customer, okay. Just go there and double click on the screen, on the box, and write what, customer, okay. This then if you want to change the color of the box, you can change it easily by clicking on the box. You just go here in the solve field, then there is a color. You can choose any color you want. If I choose this, I can click on this, okay. But I already got the colors that you mentioned in the image. So if you have a color code, then click here, more colors, and paste the color code here, okay. So this will change the color. Wait, okay, and this color, okay. Then I will automatically change this color to this color, and this color I want this color, okay. And this is recent colors which I used. These are all colors you can use, and more colors you can custom code, okay. So I will choose this color, and for this I will choose small color and this one, okay. And I will put text here, online shopping system, okay. If you want to go shopping downwards, then you okay. If you want to increase the size of the box, you can, okay. Just click on the box and click here this button and go these, okay. And here too, okay, and this one too. See see the lines matching. Okay, and after this we will just connect these boxes to the start button. Okay, so we have two connectors here. We can connect from here, and then I will go to the downwards, this. Okay, and I will select one more, and you can select this like this. Okay, if you want to add text here, for example, like your image I show. Okay, add and modify box. Okay, so I go here and just about the line you can double click here. Okay, and add and modify box. Okay, so text, you can click here on the text and you can easily adjust the text. Okay, if you want to bold the text you can, if you want to increase the size you can. Okay, and then I will click here again. Sorry, I will click here again, and I will add text, more text, like update item tracking detail. Update item tracking details. Just open this or like this. Okay, you can adjust easily. If you want to adjust more, you can adjust like this, like this, like this. This will be more better. You can adjust it by up, down, arrow key. Okay, then we will go to the customer, then 3 lines. Okay, you just go to first line here. Okay, sorry, I will add the first line here, then second line here, and this will be my third line here. Okay, and one line from the administrator outgoing, and one line will be here. Okay, and you can add the text here. For example, you want to edit search book by item and payment. Okay, search books, you can click here and type search books. You can adjust the text here, search books, and then what by item. Again, click here. Oh, sorry, click here. Wait, I will adjust the size of the box, so this will be easy. You can also copy this box and paste here, and then rewrite the text. If there is a by item, I think by item. Okay, then adjust it here, and the third will be the price, I think, by item and payment. Sorry, I will again copy and paste, and first I will rewrite payment. Okay, can simply go with the administrator here. Also, you can just add MIS reports and give item tracking and generate invoice. Okay, thank you. You can just pay add the codes MIS report. I think there is 3 lines or 2 lines. 2 lines. Okay, I will add one more line to wait this. Wait. This will be better. Okay, and just write a text here. Give item tracking. And same with this. Okay, and then copy and paste. If you like the video, then please rate it. Thank you. And then simply publish here and download it. Okay, or share. Thank you so much.